Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use your HONOR Earbuds X6 with multiple devices. Right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and the second one do not. This earbuds doesn't support dual connection, so you cannot connect to your devices with your earbuds simultaneously. But we can do something. So let's pair these earbuds with the second device, open settings and go to connected devices. Now click pair new device, and after that put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold both of the touch areas. Touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here at the top we have these touch areas. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts blinking white. Here we go, and now we have it. So we just enter pairing mode and let's connect it with the second device by just click on it and then click pair. Now my second device connected with my earbuds and the first device do not connect. So if I want to reconnect it with my first device, I need to disconnect it from my second device. To do this, at the device list you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds and then click disconnect. After that you can tap at your earbuds at your first device, and as you can see we have connection and it disconnected from the second device. Now, let's say I want to reconnect it with my second device. I need to disconnect it from my first device. And let me click the information icon and also disconnect. And now I tap at these earbuds at the device list on my second device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.